Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 376FAM, a spacious, family-friendly fifth wheel that blends luxury, function, and comfort from front to back. Starting with the exterior, the Hemisphere stands out with its high-gloss fiberglass sidewalls, bold new graphics, and strong aluminum framing that's both lightweight and durable. You'll find large pass-through storage compartments for your outdoor essentials, power awnings with integrated LED lighting, and easy access to your hookups and utilities. Stepping inside, the freestanding dining table, moving into the kitchen, the Hemisphere 376FAM delivers everything you'd expect from a true home on wheels. There's a full-size oven and a built-in microwave, surrounded by plenty of cabinetry for cookware and utensils. The residential refrigerator offers all the space you need for groceries, while the sink area features solid countertops, under-sink storage, and more cabinets above for dishes and small appliances. Every corner of this kitchen is designed to make cooking and cleaning easy, while keeping things stylish and organized. Plush reclining chairs positioned perfectly across from the entertainment center. You'll enjoy a large flat-screen TV and a beautiful electric fireplace below it, perfect for watching your favorite movies or unwinding after a long day. The loft area offers 2 sleeping spaces with storage bins, making it ideal for kids, guests, or even extra storage when needed. Moving to the rear of the unit, you'll find a full secondary bedroom designed for comfort and flexibility. This room features a cozy bed, and directly across is a massive dresser area with both drawers and hanging space. Connected to the rear bedroom is a convenient half bathroom. This space includes dual sink areas with mirrors and hidden storage behind each, plus a foot flush toilet and a shower across the way. It's a private and functional setup that makes hosting family or friends easy. Heading toward the front, you'll find the main bathroom, which includes a spacious shower with glass doors, cabinets beside it for towels and linens, a toilet, and a full vanity with cabinet storage and a mirrored medicine cabinet above. This design makes the space both practical and high-end. Finally, at the very front of the Hemisphere is the master bedroom, your own private retreat. A large, comfortable bed takes center stage, with a dresser directly across for added storage. To one side sits a full closet with washer and dryer prep, hanging space, and shelving, giving you all the room you need for clothing and gear, whether you're camping for the weekend or living on the road full-time. Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.